My favorite small dry erase board for the wall. It is 16 on 12. Amazing size. It is very lightweight. There are 3 markers and 4 magnets inside of the package, and this is the eraser, which is amazing and magnetic too. I usually hang it on my wall right here. I will show you how I usually do that. It is perfect for the home, for school, for office, for anything. You can teach your kids with it, you can do anything you want by that. That's how you hang it. I love the style of it. I do love corners. It is double-sided. There are 2 sides in it. For notes, you can use it for reminders, for schedule, brainstorming. Perfect size for any space if you try to place it in your office or at home. Just amazing size, very compact. I do love that it is white. It is ideal for desks, walls, dorm rooms, kitchens, classrooms. It is magnetic. I do love that the surface is magnetic, so you can easily magnet like this, anything you want. I do love that the surface is made from such a nice material. I can hold my notes, I can write anything on it. It is amazing. I can even attach photos if I want to. So you can see that it looks amazing like that, very bright, and it is very easy to clean it if I want it. It is very easy to carry it if you want to take it anywhere with you, reposition it. Just an amazing purchase, and it's an amazing gift idea for your friends and family. And I do love this brand. Always get different products from them, always an amazing quality products. It is perfect for the office meetings, for different schoolwork, creative projects. It's very easy to install. It was all like that, already ready, so I can just easily hang it. Or you can mount it to the wall. There were different accessories together in the package, so you can easily use it and mount it to the wall effortlessly. But I just hang it like that here on the wall. So I can hang it like that, and I can easily write anything I want like that. And let me show you how I erase it, like this. Very easily I can erase everything like that. That's it. Super clean. Beautiful.